All right, let's take a closer look at the Mohamed Sathak A.J. Academy of Architecture. It's right there in Chennai on OMR, and for your TNEA counseling, the code you need to remember is 1400. You know, the first thing that really jumps out about this place is its focus. It's not trying to be everything to everyone. Nope, it's an exclusive academy for architecture and design. And being on Chennai's OMR, that tells you a lot about its modern approach.
Okay, let's get into the specifics of their identity and, of course, their location.
So let's run through the key facts. The full name, as you see, is Mohamed Sathak A.J. Academy of Architecture. TNEA Code 1400. It's a private, self-financing college, and it's been around since 2010. A really important point for you is that it's affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. And location-wise, it's right in the middle of the SIPCOT IT Park on OMR. You know, to really understand a college, you've got to look at who's behind it. Let's talk about the founding trust. So this isn't a new name in education. The Mohamed Sathak Trust actually started way back in 1973. They founded their first self-financing engineering college in '84. So by the time they established this architecture academy in Chennai in 2010, they were bringing decades of experience to the table. That's a solid foundation. All right, this is probably what you're most interested in. What programs are actually on offer here? Let's see what you can get into. Now, it's really important to know that the programs we're about to show you are based on the provisional affiliation for the 2025-2026 academic year. Basically, this means they're all set for TNEA counseling. Okay, so here are your options. For the Bachelor of Architecture, that's branch code AR, there are 80 seats available. And for the Bachelor of Design, branch code DA, there are 30 seats. So a pretty focused set of programs here. Keep these numbers in mind when you're making your choice list. Okay, moving on to the practical stuff that every student and parent thinks about. Let's talk about the hostel and transport facilities. When it comes to hostels, here's the setup. For boys, the hostel is right there on campus. It can take in about 120 students, and it's 2 students to a room. For girls, the hostel's off campus over at Schilling-Lur, which is about 5 kilometers away. It's a bigger facility accommodating over 200 students with 3 to a room. And what about other facilities? Well, there's a campus canteen, which is always good to know. The hostels are Wi-Fi enabled, so that's covered. The college does provide its own transport, and if you're coming by train, the closest major station is Tambaram, which is around 20 kilometers from the campus. Okay, let's talk about the official approvals. This is super important because it speaks to the quality and recognition of the degrees you'll be getting. This is a big one. The Bachelor of Design program, or B.Des, is officially approved by AICTE for the academic year 2025-26. That approval from the All India Council for Technical Education is a crucial checkmark for any technical program. And just to be clear, all the information we've presented here is based on what's available on the college's official website and trusted government portals at the time we prepared this. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.